This thing is not opening. Not opening. We thought it will open in 100 years, but it didn't. So let's see what we got. Oh, it opened like. Oh my god! It opened like that. Wait, what? There's a big thing here. Hey, look. It's a checklist. Look at these much unicorns. Oh, look at this one. It's Styling Mermaid. Like a Styling Mermaid. I don't know her name because this is my first time having this. So let's unpeel and reveal. So let's open it. Let's see. So relaxing. Oh, we got this dress. But who wears this? I want to see it. Who wears this dress? Hey, I see some more things on the back. Oh, there's so much ponies. Oh, but who wears this? Oh my god, I think we got her. She comes with this, this, and this. And we got her accessories. Oh my god, we definitely have her. And I like this teeny tiny potion. Okay, let's jump in a hole out. Looks like LOL shoes, right? Right in the comments. Measure. Okay, time to peel it and reveal it. Wait, what happens if you pop it? Oh, it opened from this side and I didn't even notice. Oh my god, so cool. It's like a see-through comb. When I put my hand on it, it's dark blue. And when I put it over, it's light blue. Let's hurry on it. Oh my god, tattoos! I just first want to open this part. Hey. We got slime! So I didn't need to buy the squishy noise slime. Let's open the big surprise. It's time to open the big surprise. Let's see what unicorn we got. I was right. We got the unicorn. Yay! I told you, Mom, it wasn't stickers. It fixes back. Oh my god. I like this. Let's open this plastic bag. Oh, it opened by itself. It was maybe open. Let's put this thing wig on. Let's see. We can pretend to comb her hair. Oh my god, her ear goes here. Cool. Now it's time to put on our outfit. Oh my god, she's so cool. Oh, her necklace moves. Nice. How about her? Let me not. Oh my god, it goes out too. I can't believe it. Whoa, 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 whoa. What are you doing? Okay. Guys, this is not funny. She's like grabbing things all the time and putting it in her mouth. I know, is that funny? Okay. Wait, where did it go? Oh, there. We didn't even have to search for it. Oh, my darling unicorn. Looks so pretty. Now let's put on your wig. You're gonna look so pretty, my darling unicorn. You look so pretty too. Brush your hair. Oh, let's put on your shoes. I almost forgot. I like your shoes, fancy unicorn. Oh. Oh, it's flexible. Did you know, guys? Oh my god. I wish to have a girl unicorn and finally come true. faster. Let's go faster than ever. But I don't know how to go faster. Time cannot go forward so fast. Like even the months count. Years are more and more harder to go. Oh my god, and here's our lovely beyond unicorn. Hey, look. These are tattoos, right? Yes, they are. Can't believe it. But I really wanted this unicorn. She looks so cute. Okay. Bye, fans. I'll open the slime later. I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to hit that thumbs button up. And don't forget to subscribe.